Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell as well so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. So today we'll be discussing about the top 5 reasons why businesses are choosing cloud technologies. As we all know, the term cloud in cloud computing refers to the software and services that run on the internet instead of running locally on your on-site server or computer. Cloud technology is clearly showing its potential to different businesses with the availability of many cloud service providers around the world, including Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, GCP, and many more. There are plenty of reasons why businesses are choosing the cloud over traditional ways of computing. Just like any other new technology, cloud migration comes with a few risks and drawbacks, but in this video, we'll be discussing about the top 5 reasons businesses are shifting to cloud technologies. Fifth reason is disaster recovery. The cloud has dramatically changed how businesses store and retrieve data. This especially comes in handy when businesses need to recover quickly following an unexpected disaster, whether it be a flood, a hurricane, fire, cyber attack, or a human-made disaster that destroys or brings down your production system, because downtime can put your business out of business. But when you have a cloud-based disaster recovery system, the cloud service provider replicates your system and data to a cloud infrastructure that is at least 150 miles away from your production system. This geographic distance is important to minimize the chance that the same disaster impacts your production systems and cloud-based disaster recovery site. Cloud backup helps businesses recover their data quickly so you can continue the operations without any downtime, as eliminating downtime is critical for businesses if it is necessary to survive and remain competitive following a data loss incident. Now let's talk about the fourth reason, that is flexibility. Cloud services are also exceptionally flexible. They don't tie down your people to one particular location. Any internet-enabled device, including laptops, notebooks, or smartphones, can be used to access and share critical documents. Businesses need this level of flexibility to grow in a crowded market as of today. With the cloud, your staff will be able to access information from home, from the client's office, or even on the road just using their smartphone. Your staff members can also work collaboratively on documents and files, even when they're not physically present in the same room. Third one is data security. Lost laptops are $1 billion business problems, which should actually be greater than the loss of an expensive item, because losing a laptop means losing sensitive data. Cloud computing gives you greater security when this happens, because your data is stored in the cloud, so you can access it no matter what happens to your machine. You can even remotely buy data from lost devices so it doesn't get into wrong hands. Data stored on the cloud is encrypted, making it safer than any other hosting solution. Since cloud technology is updated frequently, cloud hosting companies can keep up with the latest cybersecurity threats, while off-site servers are at more risk. Now let's talk about the second reason, which is cost-effective. One of the most appealing reasons to switch to the cloud is the cost savings. With cloud computing, the need to pay for a large amount of disk and storage space is instantly removed, and the need of buying, installing, and upgrading software, investment in hardware, network equipment, software license, and in-house technicians are not necessary at all. We can simply say that when you move to the cloud, you can eliminate the investment you make in redundant infrastructure. Although cloud computing involves initial setup cost and training, you can achieve economies of scale at much faster rate compared to on-premise infrastructure. With the cloud, you'll pay for applications only when needed, and many applications included are free of charge. And the best part is that the cloud system goes with a pay-as-you-go model where users have to pay only for the services they use, and most cloud service providers go with a pay-per-minute or a pay-per-second billing system. Now let's talk about the first main reason, that is big data. So businesses generate huge volumes of data, which could be both structured as well as unstructured data on an everyday basis, which is collectively called big data. Your on-premise storage system may not be able to keep up with high volume data generation in the long-term run. Even when you try to do everything the traditional way, you need substantial investment in your infrastructure to make this happen. Big data could impact on other reasons which we discussed before. When the amount of data increases, the level of security must increase, the disaster recovery plan flexibility, and most importantly, the cost will also increase. This is not something that your business will be able to handle when you have an on-premise system, as in the long run the survival rate is low. Most importantly, your on-premise data warehouse may not be able to support advanced analytical solutions capable of rapid information processing. But by moving to the cloud, you can gain valuable insights from your data and make data-driven decisions. That brings us to the end of the video on the top 5 reasons why businesses are moving to cloud systems. If you learned something new and enjoyed this video, make sure to share it, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well.